what I do when I print off my patterns is I separate them. Number one, you can just leave alone. Then I put all the even numbers in one pile and all the odd numbers in another pile. So I'm going to flip these over a second while I do that. So now, with the evens, I just cut off this edge here, the left edge. So I'm going to turn it so I can use my rotary cutter and my new rotary tool here, which is amazing, by Havells. It's just automatic. The blade just automatically comes down. It's so amazing. I've never had one like that before. The top edge. And that's so we can tile them really effortlessly and easily. And so then on my odds, I'm cutting the top edge. So the fabric is cut out. I have fused the fusible fleece to the back side of the fabric, leaving an inch space all around so that when it's time to serge or pink the raw edge and fold it in to make the elastic casing, I'm not going to have a headache because of fighting the fusible fleece or batting. I am also going to do a second layer because through trial and error I have found that I need a second layer on my ironing board, or else sometimes I get the little grate marks coming through onto my clothing, and I do not appreciate that. So I'm going to go ahead and spray base another layer down of the batting. All we're going to do is turn in the edge by 1/2 inch and press it down. I'll do that all the way around. Sometimes I use pins or clips to hold it in place. Stitch to make a casing all the way around. And what you're going to do is leave an opening of about 6 to 8 inches, and that's where we'll thread the elastic through. So now the casing is stitched, and I'm going to thread my elastic through. Okay, it's all the way through. I'm going to sew these two ends of elastic together back and forth many times with a zigzag stitch, and then I'll trim off the excess, and then we'll put it on the board. I used roughly 3 yards of 1/4 inch elastic. Okay, I fit it on the ironing board. The elastic is right underneath here. See an undershot. You can see it fits the board just perfectly. There's a little overhang, not too much. And it just makes the whole ironing board so much prettier.